Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Blink Module 2 is probably one of the most convenient and reliable ways to transfer and store your files, thanks to its high capacity and sleek design. In this video, we'll put this USB flash drive through its paces, testing its speed, durability, and overall performance to see if it lives up to the hype and whether it's the right choice for your needs. We will explore its features, benchmark its performance against competitors, and ultimately determine if it earns a spot in your tech arsenal. Number 5. Blink USB Flash Drive. Introducing the Blink USB Flash Drive, designed for seamless local video storage. It works hand in hand with your Blink Sync Module 2, offering a convenient way to manage your video clips. This drive is compatible with the Blink Sync Module 2, supporting up to 10 Blink devices. With its generous 64 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your recordings. Simply insert it into your Blink Sync Module 2 to easily view, share, and download your locally stored video clips. It's that simple. It gives you the freedom to manage your video footage directly from your Sync Module 2. Access, share, and download your clips whenever you need them. The package includes one USB flash drive. Please note that it's not compatible with the Sync Module XR. It integrates perfectly with your existing Blink system for a complete and reliable local video storage solution. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your recordings are safe and readily accessible. What we like. It offers local video storage for your Blink devices. If you have a limited number of cameras and need a basic solution, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a simple, reliable way to store their Blink footage locally. What people say. The Blink USB flash drive for local video storage, coupled with the Blink Sync Module 2, has exceeded my expectations in every aspect. This dynamic duo transforms your home security experience into a seamless and reliable system. The installation process was a breeze. The compatibility and integration with the Blink Sync Module 2 showcased a well-thought-out design. Setting up local video storage has never been this straightforward. Plug, sync, and you're good to go. The storage capacity of the USB flash drive is impressive. It effortlessly accommodates a vast amount of video footage, ensuring that I never miss a moment of crucial surveillance. Number 4. Blink Sync Module 2 Mount. This 256 GB USB flash drive is designed for local video storage. It offers a convenient way to access and manage your Blink camera footage directly. It's made of high-quality alloy, making it lightweight and easy to use. Simply plug it in to view, share, or download your videos. This compact mount keeps your Blink Sync Module 2 installation neat and organized. The short USB cord helps eliminate messy wires. Installation is quick and easy, no tools, screws, or drilling are required. Mounted in seconds to any standard AC outlet. It's easy to move it from one location to another. Any available AC outlet is suitable for this mount. The high-quality plastic construction and buckle design ensure your Blink Sync Module 2 is securely held in place. What we like. This one comes with a convenient outlet mount for your Blink Sync Module 2. If you're looking for a clean and easy installation process without any drilling or tools, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a neat and organized setup for their home security system. What people say. Real good results so far. Allows you to mount Blink System Module 2 to any standard electrical outlet plus great local storage flash drive. So I previously purchased a similar device but the SD card did not work and was a major PIA to get it to work. This time, I read the reviews and decided to try this one, even though it was a couple bucks more. Boy was I happy. This was a simply plug in and put the card in and bam. It all worked just as I wanted. It was compatible to my Blink system and looks neat plugged in. With the proper card I do not need a monthly subscription for my cameras. Fit well and quick to install. USB works well. Works well with Blink Hub. Built well. Number 3. Blink USB flash drive and mount. It's a lightweight, plug-and-play flash drive with a massive 256 GB capacity. Easily view, share, and download your Blink camera videos locally. This compact mount keeps your Blink Sync Module 2 neat and tidy. The included short USB cable eliminates messy wires. Installing it is a snap. No tools, screws, or drilling required. It connects to your Blink cameras quickly and easily. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. The secure buckle design keeps your sync module safely in place. You get a 256GB USB flash drive, a wall mount for your Blink Sync Module 2, and a short USB cable. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. It boasts a large storage capacity and includes a compact outlet mount. If you need ample storage and want a tidy setup, this is a great choice. It's perfect for users who prioritize convenience and a clean look for their home security system. What people say. Everything you need and at an excellent price. Easy to install and works seamlessly with our Blink system. It was easy to set up and is working great. Puts everything in a tight little package for local monitoring and storage, and the price cannot be beat for 256GB of storage. Number 2. Blink Sync Module Mount with 256GB USB. It's a lightweight, high-quality flash drive with a massive 256GB capacity. You can easily view, share, and download your locally stored videos. This compact mount keeps your Blink Sync Module 2 installation neat and tidy. The short cable eliminates clutter and frees up space. It mounts to any power outlet, installing in seconds without tools or drilling. Move it easily from room to room. Made of durable plastic, it securely holds your Blink Sync Module 2. It's designed to protect your module and won't damage your walls. The package includes the 256GB USB flash drive, the outlet wall mount, and a short USB charging cable. Everything you need is included. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us through Amazon. We're here to help. What we like. It offers a flexible and portable solution for your Blink Sync Module 2. If you need a setup that can easily be moved from one location to another, this is the ideal option. It's perfect for renters or those who frequently rearrange their furniture. What people say. Easy installation, small device does not take up much room. Compatible with our system. A great deal. In addition to the 256Go USB drive, you get a sync unit cradle and a power cable. Work perfectly fine, got an issue after few months of usage, but contact the seller and got a new one 3 days after for free. Number 1. Blink Sync Module 2 Mount Kit. It features a compact design and a short USB cable, creating a clean and organized setup for your Blink Sync Module 2. Say goodbye to messy wires and reclaim valuable space. This kit includes a 256GB flash drive for convenient storage, viewing, sharing, and downloading of your Blink camera videos. It's high quality and plug and play. Setting it up is a breeze. No tools are needed, simply plug it into any available AC outlet. It's quick and hassle-free. It allows for easy relocation of your Blink Sync Module 2. You can easily move it to different locations as needed. Made of durable hard plastic with a secure buckle, it keeps your Blink Sync Module 2 safely in place, preventing accidental falls. What we like. It provides a neat and space-saving solution for your Blink setup. If you're looking for a way to eliminate messy wires and keep things organized, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who value a clean and efficient home security system. What people say. The real value is the USB drive, which works and is tiny. I was up and running in mere minutes, hardware-wise and software-wise. I would recommend this to anyone wanting a very inexpensive and impressive video monitoring solution. Got this as part of the Prime Day deals to go with our Blink doorbell, and it works great. I love the added storage of the USB and that I can go through and save or delete clips from it. The box secures very well and the mount and installation was very easy. Walks you through step by step and easy to understand. You can also hook multiple devices to the system and save clips from multiple devices. Thin enough it doesn't create any more issue than a normal plug-in would for say a lamp or alarm clock, and other than the blue light it's not noticeable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.